My favorite use of this word is in the movie Shrek. Let's see. Because in Master Azerbaijani word of today, we have soğan. Soğan. Soğan simply onion. Remember onion layers? Let's use those in some phrases. To chop an onion. Simple. Soğan doğramaq. Doğramaq, to cut. We're going to explore the word doğramaq in much more closer in the coming days. But let's first use some sentences. Mən yeməyə soğan əlavə edirəm. I add onion to the meal. Yemək is a meal, the food that you're cooking. Əlavə etmək, to add. Əlavə edirəm, I add. Where? Yeməyə, yemək. Meal, to the meal, yeməyə. Let's use another sentence. Bu soğan çox kəskindir. This onion is very pungent. Kəskin is sharp, pungent. This onion, bu soğan, çox. We already know this, very. Now, today's word was soğan. Nice and easy, and something almost everyone uses, I guess. But let's see what I have for dad use. I cry harder for soğan than rom-com breakups, That was today's word soğan. I have another one similar coming in the coming days. Make sure to come back tomorrow to check. Until then, you know what to do. Cheers.